Hello guys, I'm Bed. Today I'm going to talk about how to build a role and permission system to manage different types of roles in a application. So uh, this is a mysql workbench and I have designed a simple schemas for manage a role and permission for every applications. Uh, this is a role tables and it got name and description IDs. Name means name of role like admin, editor, or other types of roles. What does role defines here is a role will define a group of particular actions. Suppose that role of admin can able to manage a users, manage a emails, manage a database. This kind of actions will be available in admin role. And how do you get that admin or user particular user has that admin role? We will insert a user ID and role ID into user has role tables. So when we have to perform an action, then we will check into these tables. If this table has that user ID and with that necessary roles ID, then user should be able to perform that action. For example, user has role. Suppose that here is the roles of editor. Name in editor and description is like anything of defines editor and has got ID of 1, and user has a ID of, suppose that ID user has ID 1. And now if we have to put that user should able to post should be able to editor, then we should insert that user ID 1 and role ID 1 into user has role tables. And when we have to post editor, what are the things that a editor can do is editor can post a blog. So when we are going to post a blog or user are going to post a blog, we check these tables before we posting allow them to post a blog. So if that user has got roles ID of 1, because role ID 1 is editor has 1, then the user should be able to post that post or blogs. This is about role systems. And what is permission system is, here what I consider is permission system will just deny a service. Suppose that the previous editor who has got roles of 1 and 1 means who has got roles of editor perform some actions like he does action which is not good for our system, so we have to deny his services for an hour or for 24 hours. Then what we do is just we add a permission like posting in permission field like ID of 1 and name is like job suppose blog posting. Description is like posting description that describes the blog posting which got ID of 1. Then if we have to deny that services for a particular user, then we will add that user ID and permission ID right here. And before performing that action, we'll check these tables before performing that action. If the user has the previous user who has ID 1 has permission of 1 ID and booleans is like forbidden is true, then the user should not be able to post that job. Please, thank you.